Hello and welcome today to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use custom LUTs on Final Cut Pro X. So yeah, if you don't know what a LUT is a lookup table, and use them when color grading or trying to change the color of what's on screen. And it's just a nice preset, so if you wanted the film to look a certain blue color, you use a LUT and then all your films will be all your videos are color matched to the same thing. So they're really handy when using color grading, and in Final Cut Pro they're really easy to use. So to show you how to use LUTs, let's put up a clip. So we'll just put the Learn with Lou intro into the timeline. It's quite white at the minute, but we can change the color with the LUTs. So to get your LUTs, you need to go over here to the right hand side of your screen, and you will need to click on the button here, this one, to your effects. And then you need to go to, just select all, is probably the easiest, and you're looking for the one named Custom LUT. So if I scroll down and find it, there we go, Custom LUT. And then what you want to do is, to the clip you want to add the LUT to, you just drag it onto the clip. So now that's dragged onto the clip, we can now attach the LUTs. If we go over here back to our inspector, and now you choose the LUT. So if you've not used the LUT before, or this is your first time using LUTs, you will need to choose your custom LUT, and if you click on that, it'll open your Finder, and you just find the LUT you've downloaded and click that. So and then once you've used it, it will store it over here, and then you can use it again. So I'll just go with the Golden Hour LUT, and as you can see, the color of Learn with Lou has changed slightly. But I'm not really liking that, and also you can change on the mix to how strong it is, but we want it strong to show the thing. So I'm not really feeling that one. Maybe what about a Django 25? Again, slightly different. How about a Preset Pro Blue Mist? That one's more like, feeling that would be like more of a horror film sort of vibe. So yeah, trying all of these, and as you can see, it changes the color. So that's what LUTs are used for. And that was this very basic tutorial on how to use custom LUTs on Final Cut Pro X. If you do need to download LUTs, there's loads. Just search LUTs on the internet and you can find them, and they can be used on Final Cut Pro, any other video editing software, Photoshopping software. They're really useful. There's quite a few free ones, or you can pay for some more LUTs, but I've just used the free ones. They're great, so definitely worth using. So that is this quick tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button and share it on social media so your friends can learn. Tell me in the comment section what other tutorials you need for Final Cut Pro X, and I'll try and get them out as soon as possible. If you're new here and wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. So you subscribe to find out some new tips that you might not know. Anyway, I've been here on Learn with Lou. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.